I am John Dawson, our Business District Department Chair at Lawrence Township and a business teacher at McKinsey Center for Innovation and Technology. At McKinsey, we offer over 25 career programs, 15 industry certifications, and almost all of our career programs have dual credit college classes attached to them. For students to be successful at McKinsey, they need to be in attendance, engaged, and taking part in all of the activities so that they can succeed in their future careers, whether that be entering the world of work, post-secondary, or the military. McKinsey is the place where everything is possible, but for it to be possible, you must be present.
Hello, my name is Cabot Fowler. I teach biomedical sciences at McKinsey Center. At our center, there are many programs that offer certifications, and some of those certifications actually require hands-on demonstrations to show that students are proficient in those specific skills. In my class, and I know it's the same with a lot of teachers out there, I always want students to know and believe that when they come into my class, they're loved, they're unique, they have gifts, they are safe, and they are valuable. Here at Lawrence Township, we're here to help, we're here to support, and whatever barriers that are in your way preventing you from being at school and taking part in all of these activities, discussions, experiments, and all this practice time of these wonderful skills, please let us know so that we can help you.